Good evening, students. Today, in the new lesson, The Ant and the Grasshopper, we are learning how the hard work helps us. If we work hard today, that will be rewarded tomorrow. We will feel comfort in our later life if we work hard today. Let us read the lesson. An ant and a grasshopper lived in a field. They were good friends. On a hot day in summer, the grasshopper was very happy. You can see the picture, a grasshopper playing. He was hopping meaning jumping in a particular way. Like the frog jump, grasshoppers also can jump, hopping about, chirping meaning making a particular kind of sound, chirping and singing to his heart's content. With a happy he was singing. Just then the ant passed by bearing along with great toil meaning കഷ്ടപ്പാട്, ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക്, toil, a seed of corn, ചോളത്തിൻ്റെ വിത്താണ്, a seed of corn it was taking to the home. The ant was carrying a corn on his back and he is carrying it to its home. Where are you going with that heavy thing? Asked the grasshopper. When an ant carry a corn, that will be a very heavy piece for the ant. So the grasshopper asked, where are you carrying this heavy thing? Asked the grasshopper. Without stopping, ant didn't even stop to talk to that grasshopper. To my home. This is the second seed. Ant was carrying one seed. He carried it before, then he is carrying the second seed. I am carrying, I will collect many more today. Why not come chat with me instead of toiling in that way? Toiling instead of hard working, come and chat with me. Chat meaning talk with me. Grasshopper is inviting the ant to talk and play with him. But the ant didn't stop even to talk to grasshopper. Then you see, I am helping to lay up food for the winter. And winter, for the winter days, you can see in the picture how the winter, completely the land is covered with the snow. It is the way how in winter, the winter season, you can see it in the picture. I am helping to lay up food for the winter, said the ant. I recommended you to do the same. The ant asked the grasshopper to do hard work or collect some food for the winter. You can see in winter nobody can go out for work. There will not be any plant or trees. So the food will not be available to the living things. So the ant was working hard for the winter days. Then why bother about winter? Bother meaning worrying. Why worrying for the winter? Said the grasshopper. We have got plenty of food at present. Now, present meaning now. In this time we have plenty of food. Then why we should suffer this much? That was the question asked by the grasshopper. But then the ant went on its way and continued to its toil. But ant was working hard without listening this. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger. Because of the hunger, there was no food. Then the grasshopper was suffering without food. Then every day it saw the ants distributing corn and grain from the stock. They were stocking it or collecting it. So you might have observed many ants are together. They are working hard. So they after collecting it during the winter days, the ants were distributing or supplying to every ants in their group. So the grasshopper saw that. Finally, it had to ask the ant for food. The ants helped it gladly. But the ant, even though they collected that all food for their members, and really they helped the grasshopper also. Finally, it had to ask the ant for food. The ants helped it gladly. Then the grasshopper realized meaning understood. It is best to work hard and prepare for the days of need. So, we must also learn this lesson. If we work hard or collect something for our future need, that will be helpful for us. We should also do the same thing in human life. From this story, if we have enough money now at this time, we can collect or save it for our future use. Or food, if we have more food you might have observed in some seasons many mangoes or many seasonal fruits may be available. At that time we can collect it for the days when it lack. For example, we can make mango pickles or mango jams, etc. If it is seasonal, if we get more fruits at particular seasons, we can save it for our future. Our money also we can save it for our future use. That's a good lesson we can learn from this story. Here, read and understand. Let us read this part. Hard work is the key to success. For success also, for getting a job for our future days, when we grew up, you are really children. If we study at this time in school days or in college days, if we learn only, you can achieve your goal or you can achieve a good job in future. If we play and spend your time without learning anything, you will not get any good job. So as students, now we can work hard for our future. Hard work is the key to success. Nothing in the world can be achieved without hard work. Without hard work, nobody can achieve anything. Then success does not come at once. You have to work hard for a long time to achieve success. If you work hard and try again and again, you will certainly succeed. Succeed എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ജയിക്കും. Work hard again and again. You should work hard. All you need is the determination to achieve your goal, to achieve a job or to achieve certain degrees. You must have determination. Determination എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഉറച്ച തീരുമാനം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ഡിഗ്രി എടുക്കണമെങ്കിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജോലി കിട്ടണമെങ്കിലോ ഒക്കെ. Now in this present time we have to work hard and we must again and again work hard, study well. You must spend most of